Well, hey, I'm John Hassel, the lake guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with Abbey Halliday Realtors, and today I want to talk to you about low lake levels. We seem to be in a little bit of a drought right now, which is not unusual for Cedar Creek Lake. This comes around about every 5 or 6 years. We'll have low water. Now, we've had great water for a number of years. Lake's been full most summers for the past several years. But we're experiencing some low levels now, and the lake's a little over 3 feet low. So what does that mean? I mean, some of us can't get our boats out. Some of us have got real low water, or underneath our dock is maybe a foot of water or 2 feet of water, and we can't get our boats out, or it's dry. So what can you do about this? Well, a lot of things. Number one, you have an opportunity to clean up your shoreline. If there's stuff out there that needs to be cleaned up, clean it up. You need to fix the dock, fix the dock. If you got a sprinkler system and you need to run your suction line out further so your sprinkler system will work, now's the time to do it, because it makes it real easy to do and you'll be ahead of the game in the future. So let's take a look at what things you might find when the water level goes down, and things you can do that will help you in the future. Now, in order to get my boat in the water, I'm going to need one of these. Probably some of you are going to need one of these too. So a shovel, not going to work. Need something a little more heavy duty. Yeah, my boat is dry. And as you can see, normally there's about 3.5, 4 feet of water right there. As you can see right at the end of my dock, it's about to get dry also. Before you say, you should have used a realtor that knew what they were doing. Well, I'm the realtor. I knew what I bought, and I was okay with it. But let me show you some things that you can do. You see that stump right there? That wasn't there. That's been there, but it's been hiding under the water. Here's another one. Here's another one. Now, this has been hiding under the water, and you got a nice sandy beach. You want to go out there and swim. You don't want to stump your toe on this. Now's the opportunity to clean this stuff up that's around the water. And if the lake goes down a little bit more, you're going to be able to find things that are in front of your lot that you can clean up to help you swim, keep your boat from hitting, the prop from hitting stuff like this. It's going to be great. I mean, just take advantage of what you got. Now, I've got not so much a sandy beach as I've got another yard out here, which I mow, and I need to mow again. But mow it, keep it cut back. This is the time to take care of it. I don't have a retaining wall, which is one of the reasons I bought this property, is because I didn't want one. I want to be able to walk into the water easily, and I can do that. My walk right now is just a little bit longer than it used to be. Now, this is my neighbor's dock that he had built last year. He knew what the water level was when he built it. This has been underwater, but now you can see a lot of stuff growing up against his wall that needs to be cleaned up, which he'll get to. Get all that cleaned up before the water comes back. Now, when he pulls his boat in, look at all that stuff that's in this channel that's here. He can get all that stuff cleaned out so he's not going to hit it with his prop on his boat. Great opportunity to do this, because trust me, you couldn't see this when the lake was 3.5 feet fuller. So everybody has an opportunity to fix stuff. When the water goes down, take advantage of it. We live here at this lake. It's going to happen. We've got a huge drainage area that water comes into the lake. A couple of big thunderstorms to the north of us. I've seen this lake fill up in a weekend. Trust me, it will. So get all your stuff done. Don't procrastinate like me. Take care of it, and take care of it now. And remember, when you do get your boat out, be careful out there. So take advantage of what you can do. If you do get your boat out, and you can get your boat out, be careful of going into areas that you normally go through without any caution. Have some caution. Set your depth finder for about 4 feet. If it goes off, slow down, because remember, your prop is 1.5 feet lower in the water than the hull of the boat. So keep that in mind. So you need to keep it set at about 4 feet. Also remember, places you were before, it's going to be low. There could be stumps in there like I just showed you, so be cautious. When you put your boat back in the slip, make sure you pull it up all the way to the normal level. Don't leave it low, because like I said, we can get some bad storms. They can come through here, the lake will fill up, and you're going to find your boat and your wave runners floating out in the lake. That always happens because people don't pull their boats back up to their normal level. So do that. I know it's an inconvenience. The lake's still here. You can still have a good time. You can still barbecue. You can still enjoy it. But just take some caution. Take advantage of the opportunity to fix things, because trust, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed and a lot of things that need to be cleaned up. Have a great weekend. Remember, it's going to go down some more before it goes back up, so take advantage of that. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.